The PROXXON IBS E Professional Drill Grinder, the universal talent. Ideal for drilling, milling, grinding, polishing, brushing, removal of rust, engraving and cutting, and much more. Whether steel, non-ferrous metals, glass, wood, various types of stone or ceramics. It can be used to process thousands of different materials. The possibilities are virtually endless. The ideal tool for many different applications in industry, trade, model building, precision mechanics, and much more. At PROXXON, we provided the IBS E with the best prerequisites. Let's start with the gear head. It is made of die-cast aluminium. This material offers extremely good properties for the important requirements of such fine power tools. It is very stable on the one hand. On the other hand, it is excellent to be machined. We do this with CNC cutting machines, so that precise bearing seats are guaranteed at the smallest tolerances, ensuring perfect guidance of the moving components. Highest concentric accuracy of the double ball bearing spindle, an exact centric collet, smooth and nearly vibration-free running, as well as the proverbial longevity are the results of our extensive efforts. The perfectly thought-out ergonomics are not an end in themselves, but serve for fatigue-free work and optimal guidance and control of the tools. Its ergonomic design, the perfect weight balance, and the easy grip yellow soft component of the glass fiber reinforced motor housing make handling the machine a pleasure. High-quality bits and cutters are safely held by tempered precision steel collets. These are placed in the precisely ground spindle, are intricately triple-slotted, and clamp the shafts with absolute centricity. And thanks to the ideal combination of hardness and elasticity, they retain their precision even after a prolonged period of use. No compromises when it comes to drive as well. A finely balanced DC motor with permanent magnet technology and powerful 100 watts provides plenty of power and smoothly turns 5,000 to 22,000 revolutions per minute. With the full-wave electronics, the speed can be adapted to any task and any material. A generous torque and superior power delivery is guaranteed at all times. Sensibly designed and well thought out accessories add to the IBS E's flexibility. For example, with a 20mm fit on the machine head, the tool can be clamped in a drill stand or operated with our universal holder. However, what use is the best industrial drill grinder without appropriate accessories? We offer a wide range of industrial quality products for every application. This guarantees first-class results and a long service life, even in industrial applications. From these accessories, we have selected 34 to include them together with 6 steel collets in the scope of delivery. Everything in a practical and attractive plastic case made of indestructible polypropylene. The PROXXON Industrial Drill Grinder IBS E, a strong problem solver for trade and industry. Made in Europe. PROXXON. Tools with character.